Today, we'll explore both the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence in our modern world. AI surrounds us daily through voice assistants, recommendation systems, self-driving cars, and medical technologies. AI technology offers four major benefits: incredible speed, reliable consistency, personalized experiences, and round-the-clock availability. AI's lightning-fast processing transforms search results, medical scans, and emergency response into near-instant solutions. Manufacturing robots boost efficiency in product assembly while freeing humans for more creative and complex work. AI algorithms analyze your viewing and listening habits to deliver personalized content recommendations you'll actually enjoy. Unlike humans, AI provides true 24/7 service without needing sleep, breaks, or time off. AI safety systems outperform humans by eliminating the errors that cause accidents in driving and dangerous jobs. However, AI also brings significant disadvantages and challenges we must carefully consider. Job automation threatens cashier positions and routine work, creating widespread employment challenges across many industries. When AI learns from biased data, it inevitably makes unfair decisions that can harm people. AI understanding falls short of human empathy, lacking the emotional intelligence needed for sensitive situations. Data collection, location tracking, and voice recording by AI systems all raise serious privacy concerns. Overdependence on AI weakens our critical thinking, personal creativity, and essential learning skills. We must balance AI's incredible potential against its real limitations to use it wisely. Responsible AI use requires asking good questions, challenging AI when needed, and trusting your own judgment.